Hi there, this is Val Carnell of the Aetheric Forge Initiative. This is my first video and I'm going to introduce the channel here. Purpose of this channel is to provide video resources for the Aetheric Forge Initiative, which is it's an open foundation dedicated to education and building and innovating and being creative. In the spirit of open source, everything we do is documented, and that's part of what these video series are about. You'll find all the code on the GitHub under Aetheric Forge. There's also a link in the description of the channel. So currently what we're working on is we're working on the platform for building things. Just like if you want to build a building, you don't build a skyscraper where there was a house without redoing the foundation. So what we're going to start with is a solid infrastructure foundation that we could build the rest of the forge on. We're going to be using some basic engineering principles, and we're going to start with the worst case scenario, which is, how do I recover this thing? Because that's what we really need to design for. So I'm going to demonstrate in some future videos how we go about building a resilient platform. We're going to look into what composes it, and how you operate it, and what you do in case of a disaster, and how you can be certain you got everything back, and how you can minimize the amount of time that you're down. More about Aetheric Forge. It's about community building. The world has gotten very complicated very fast, and if we're going to continue to work together, it is important that everybody understand that what they're talking about. It's hard to talk about the same thing when one person sees a black box and someone else sees all the wires inside of it. So the purpose here is kind of to mentor, to coach, and to share ideas and form kind of a thought community. So I think that's enough about Aetheric Forge. I'll come back in a little bit and go into the platform and do a quick demonstration, and then proceed with a video or two, digging into it and talking more about what's to come. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you again. Bye now.